Gentle whispers kiss the night. Silent echoes take their flight. Lanterns glow in twilight's grace, softly framing time and space. Moonlight dances on the stream, weaving threads of silver gleam. Quiet moments softly blend, endless pathways never end. Flowers bloom where whispers sound, in the air where peace is found. Wind tells tales to those who seek harmony in hearts that speak. Stars align in skies so wide, guiding dreams on gentle tide. Songs of yesterdays now play, carried where the shadows sway. Sea of calm beneath the breeze, melodies that never cease, drifting through the night's embrace, leaving not a single trace. Flowers bloom where whispers sound, in the air where peace is found. Wind tells tales to